gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, okay. The Chinese Laundry Avenue 2 platform sandal is an attention-grabbing platform sandal that elevates the platform rage with retro styling at breathtaking heights atop a towering demi-block heel. The chunky rocker platforms ramp up both the height and the curvy attitude of a sandal styled with a slender ankle strap. You're sure to have legs for days when pairing these beauties with your favorite dress or mini, as the Avenue 2s are a nostalgic shoe knockout from its chunky heel to its sky-high platform. This Dorsey open-toe heeled sandal is a shoe-in for date night or girls' night out on the town. Want to become a Superfly superhero? Then smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Make a sweet splash with the saucy Chinese Laundry Avenue 2 sandals. The textile upper flaunts a bold beige micro suede leather lining with an open toe silhouette and adjustable buckle closure ankle strap. The synthetic outsole, lightly cushioned stationary footbed, 1.5-inch wrap platform, and 5 3/4-inch wrapped heel has more attitude than one can muster, looking way more expensive than they are at a 25% sale price of $59.96 at Nordstrom's.com with free shipping, excluding taxes. These imported beauties scream for attention in a somewhat understated fashion, boasting its fairness and its towering altitude and cool retro silhouette. And what do you think about the heel height? Too high for my superheroes out there? Tell me what you think, because I'm truly curious to know. I know my superheroes are savages and ain't never ever scared, but 5+ inches ain't no joke. Heels up to 4 inches are very comfortable to walk in, as long as the shoe is carefully designed, right? 4.5-inch heels are manageable by literally anyone if you've had enough practice. And a 1-inch platform can help keep you safer in a 5.5-inch heel. Just saying, in case you're wondering. Anyway, the Chinese Laundry Avenue 2 platform sandal, here in a size 8.5 beige, is also offered in black and can also be found at Zappos.com for $57.24 and at ChineseLaundry.com for $62.99, excluding tax and shipping. I would like to note that this heeled sandal runs true to size in width and true to size in fit, but the fit is a bit snug. The height of the heel can be a bit overwhelming for newbies, especially not accustomed to such height, resulting in an unstable stance, but is surprisingly comfortable otherwise. I put these darlings on and fell in love with the look and how sexy they made my feet look. I was a little skeptical at first about the heel height. I can do the height. It's just, is the shoe properly made for me to feel comfortable while I'm getting my sexy on? So because they do, I'm certifying them SHOEPERFLY and a must buy. Here's a closer look at the Chinese Laundry Avenue 2 platform sandal.
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart so full, I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive, we're just listening, we're existing.
Launched in 1981 with groundbreaking style season after season, over the past years, Chinese laundry has also become a staple of beauty pageants all over, like Miss USA and Miss Universe, becoming an official sponsor of the contest with contestants modeling the brand shoes while strutting down the catwalk during various segments of the pageant. Chinese laundry is so truly committed to empowering women from all walks of life that after RuPaul reached out to the brand upon learning that 2019 Miss America winner Nia Franklin had to spray paint the nude signature pageant pump to match her skin tone, informing Chinese laundry that the nude shoe just didn't work for everyone's skin tone, Chinese laundry responded to RuPaul, taking immediate action and creating 2 new signature pageant shoes to match darker skin tones. Now that's what's up. That's SHOEPERFLY. Thank you, Chinese laundry, for your fashion-forward footwear and a vow to the diversity of women. Much applause. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.